Hi professionals, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to look on the topic of cosmetic sketch, cosmetic thread and cosmetic glue. Okay, cosmetic sketch is a tool used to create a sketch that is used for representation only. You cannot use the cosmetic sketch as a base feature for other modeling tools. For example, we cannot use a cosmetic sketch for creating another extrude or a hole to create it. It's an reference sketch tool only. Okay, as cosmetic sketch is mainly used on the creating a reference uh, in technical drawings. Okay, I will show you some example to how to use cosmetic sketch and how to apply a cosmetic sketch on a futures. Okay, let's dive into topic. I will create some model to explain about it. I will create a what. Okay, now I will create a extrude, simple extrude. All dimensions are now I am doing for approximate dimensions only. You can also create approximate dimensions and then create some other circle. Okay, now you can activate the cosmetic sketch under the engineering group. You can see the cosmetic sketch, cosmetic thread and cosmetic group. Okay, let's start with the cosmetic sketch. Cosmetic sketch is nothing about like a sketch, but it is a reference sketch. You cannot use it for any other tool reference. Okay, I will draw some rectangle and like this. Okay, you can see that it's a cosmetic sketch. Okay, you can, if I try to click the sketches for the extrude command, but it will not allow me to select the sketches. Okay, it will act as a reference sketch. Next we will suppress it. Okay, next we will activate the thread sketch, cosmetic sketch. For thread activation, you need a surface that is need to be circular profile. Okay, you can use it as a depth or external thread or internal thread. I will show you example on external thread. Then select the start from thread and then how much depth you want to extend the thread, and you can select the UNC standards, ISO standards or UNF or UNC. Whichever standards you need, you can just apply it and just close it. Okay, now you can see that you cannot see any thread was created on the feature, but if you go through drawing, I will create some drawing in standards. Right. Okay, now I will go to annotate tab and show model annotation. Then I will select the cosmetic thread. Okay, and then go to annotation. Okay, now you can see that it will show what type of thread I have selected and its features and its parameters are displayed here. You can click apply and just to proceed. You can use for this as a reference for the technical drawings. Okay, and then now I will go back to the model and then I will select the cosmetic group. For cosmetic group, I will create another example. Just to select the surface and I will remove some material from it and then try to close the profile. Remove material, not select throughout. Okay, and then create some plane which is parallel to this plane. Create it and then activate the group. Okay, and then select the surface which you need to be place a group. Then click OK and then select this plane and click middle click it. Okay, and then again select this plane and click OK. Next we are going to look on the topic cosmetic group. Before activating the cosmetic group, I will modify these features to explain about the group. Just create a spline like a wave and then close the profile for the remove material purpose. Then click extrude and select the wood dimension range. Then OK. Now again select the plane and click this plane and create a parallel plane which is to this plane, and then click OK, and then just activate the cosmetic group and then select the surface which you need to apply a group. And then select this plane for then click the orientation which you need to. I will just need to apply a glue to this surface, so the direction of the orientation is perfect, and then click middle click it, and then again middle click it, and then just to create some ellipse or anything you want to need. Now you can see that the glue was applied to this model. Okay.